The confessed Parkland shooter back in court today for a status hearing, but another matter was front and center. CBS 4's Joan Murray was there. She joins us live. And Joan, the judge had some strong words for the attorney representing a South Florida newspaper, right?
Yeah, he did, Rick. The judge blasted that lawyer and the paper. Now, the lawyer had argued that this legally obtained information was something the public had a right to know so they could fully examine the Parkland tragedy and make sure this doesn't happen again. But the judge said that it jeopardized Nikolas Cruz's constitutional rights and the rights of all of his victims.
It's a different side of accused mass shooter Nikolas Cruz we haven't seen before, alert and looking up at his latest hearing. His brother Zachary once more traveling from out of state to be here with him. But focus quickly shifted to a different matter, the South Florida Sun Sentinel newspaper and two of its reporters who were not present.
Somebody is considering contempt proceedings, which could include a fine or jail. I mean, they didn't feel like making themselves available was important.
The paper under fire for publishing sensitive Broward school records of Cruz, detailing how the district failed to offer counseling and special services years before he's accused of murdering 17 Stoneman Douglas students and staff February 14th.
There isn't any issue, and I don't think the school board has presented any issue, that this information was unlawfully obtained.
You all manipulated that document so that it could be unredacted.
Initially, the court agreed that a highly edited version of Cruz's records could be released. But through a Facebook tip, the paper figured out how to copy and paste the full version into another file.
Legally speaking, you may be okay, but what about ethically speaking?
Your Honor, we took a look at the information and felt that it was of the highest public interest to understand what happened in the weeks and months approaching the shooting in this case.
A group of 30 media organizations, including this station and CBS News, supported the Sentinel in a brief, asking the judge not to punish them. But the judge lashed out at the paper.
The constitutional rights of Mr. Cruz and the state and the listed victims in this case outweigh the Sun Sentinel's belief that the public has a right to know. I am fully convinced that you all knew exactly what you were doing, and I find it shameful.
And after all that, the judge did not make a ruling today. She said she'll rule at a later time. On another note, prosecutors said they have turned over now all the major police reports, all the major BSO reports on the whole Parkland tragedy. In Fort Lauderdale, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.